Hello guys, welcome to the PLC school. In this lecture, I'm gonna show you how actual controllers looks like. Here we do have one family of PLC Allen Bradley called Compactlogix uh, 1768 L43 series. So this is the actual PLC. So in the PLC, as I mentioned in the introductory video, there are few parts of the whole PLC starting from the power supply. So this is the power supply of the PLC. So what it does, it converts 120 volt AC to a 24 volt DC and provides supplies to the other modules. So I'm gonna open it up so you can see clearly how it wired inside. uh, Here this is line, neutral and ground, and here it's, if you measure through the multimeter, it's gonna come 120 volt AC when it's connected to the AC source. I already have plugged in, but I'm not gonna power up right now. I'm gonna show you in the next video when we'll do the online program. So here is line, neutral and ground. Also here you can see plus minus out, which is DC supply. So basically what power supply do is convert 120 volt AC to the 24 volt DC. So it also have capability to convert 240 volt AC and 60 hertz when you go to the Asian countries. So this controllers works pretty well in both environment. Coming to the next part, it has power on and power off switch. If you can see here, on will turn on the controller when it's connected, and currently I'm keeping it on the off state. So this is the switch, this is the line neutral thing supply, this is converted supply in the DC form, and this supply gonna go to the IO modules, which is located beside 1769 backplane. Okay, so I'm closing it up. Also there is indication I would like to show you. When it will be on and successfully convert the power, it gonna see so the LED, green LED here. So this is power supply. Also if you wanna see the back side of the controller, this is what it looks like. So what it does have is the black slots. So if you mount your PLC on the rack, I can show you the board when I will just give me a minute. I'm gonna show you in next video. The reason, because I haven't mounted properly yet. So once I'm gonna finish in on installation work, I will make another video for this. So this is the slots. It's very easy, it's like plug and play. So that's how you can mount your PLC on the rack. There is a procedure mentioned in the PDF as well, which we downloaded in the previous lecture. So here it what looks like on the back side. I'm rotating it again. So we have done with power supply. Coming to the next module, which is Ethernet IP. So Ethernet IP, why we need this? Because my controller doesn't have Ethernet port. So this is my controller, but it doesn't have Ethernet port inside. It only have serial communication. So if I want to connect my controller with Ethernet mode, then I do need extra Ethernet module. So this is the Ethernet IP module. When I powered it up, it gonna show you the IP address, connection is okay or connection is lost, anything you can check on the display. So IP of the controller gonna see here, for example 192.168.122, etc. So this, it does have a port here where I can connect my cable. Let me show you. That's where I can connect Ethernet cable and connect my PLC to the network. After completing power supply section and Ethernet section, I'm gonna show you now the controller itself. It's the heart of the PLC system. So this is the controller. I hope you can see it well. Yeah, so now it's more focus. Here if you can see the serial port where it's a DB9 connector. Also there is a memory card here if you wanna install and save your backups in the memory card. So in the industries you have options like take a backup from SD card to the PLC to SD card, and vice versa if you want to load the program from SD card to the PLC. So yeah, that time you can use that. It usually comes in different size, we can check in the manual. So yeah, this is how you can open and plug in your SD card. Coming to the, after completing this two part, coming to the key, what is this? It's showing run, remote and program. So there are three modes, right? And there is key provided by the supplier. They provide two keys, so which I can connect in and change my mode from here as well. If I change mode from here, you can see in the RSLogix 5000 or Studio 5000 as well, like how it's changing, right? If I select remote, then you're gonna see in the software remote mode, and vice versa for the two modes as well. So what it shows here, many kind of PLC: run, force, save, memory save, CF card, IO, CHO, DCHO, OK, power, input power, and controller name itself, Compactlogix L43. So these all LED are the indication of the state which you are operating in. For example, run, then if you are in run mode, you're gonna see the green LED on the run. If you force any run, then, and if you enable any force, then you're gonna see the red light on the force. If you inserted the memory card in the CF, then CF gonna see the LED over there, and obviously the power incoming and power IO power outgoing, it gonna show power to there as well. So this is power supply, Ethernet card and controller. Next I'm gonna show you is input output modules.